We now focus our attention to the Ferretti Yachts 850, another masterpiece from the world-renowned Italian yacht builder. This luxury motor yacht is designed for those who demand the very best in style, performance, and comfort. The Ferretti Yachts 850 features a sleek and modern exterior design, with a spacious flybridge that offers stunning panoramic views. At full throttle, this yacht can deliver exhilarating performance and a top speed of 31 knots. The interior is just as impressive, with a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. The main living area is a spacious and open-plan space, with plenty of room to relax and socialize. The large windows let in abundant natural light, and the comfortable seating and dining areas are perfect for entertaining guests. This yacht features 3 spacious staterooms, each with its own private bathroom and dressing area. Ferretti is renowned for its elegant and sophisticated design, so you can expect a certain level of excellence when you step into the staterooms. The Ferretti Yachts 850 is a marvel of modern engineering, and its bathroom and restroom facilities are no exception. It's like stepping into a 5-star luxury accommodation. From the high-quality materials to the thoughtful design, everything has been carefully considered to ensure that guests have the most comfortable and enjoyable experience on board. One of the key features of this yacht is the spacious karaoke lounge in the lower deck. Equipped with a state-of-the-art audio system, you can sing your heart out with your closest friends and family while cruising on this luxurious yacht. With its advanced hull design and state-of-the-art navigation system, the Ferretti Yachts 850 is also incredibly easy to handle. With its elegant interior design and thoughtful features, the Ferretti Yachts 850 offers the perfect place to relax and enjoy your cruise. Whether you're looking for a yacht for entertaining guests, cruising with family and friends, or simply relaxing and enjoying the open water, the Ferretti Yachts 850 is the perfect choice. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures.